Marami ang nag-wish na sana kasing tangkad ko sila. Kung alam nyo lang, hindi porket matangkad, komportable.
Bakit mo nasabi?
May cons pala yun. Okay.
Well, the reason why I said that is because marami akong, I guess, namimit na mga tao na, uy, tangkad mo, Andre, sana kasing tangkad kita, sana 6-footer ako. Pero ang hindi nila alam, ang daming cons. Like, for instance, kahit alam kong hindi bagay ang suot ko, yung sapatos ko, as much as I wanted to be different, walang size. So, being told you can't have the shoes you want. Tapos, yung example naman dun, leg room. Lalo na yung mga airplane, kotse. So, for those who want to be as tall as me, don't wish for it. Just be happy for what you have and who you are. Okay, just be thankful. Yun yung importante.
Lalo na for boys, because boys, di ba boys are big on shoes.
Yeah.
May mga limited na edition lang dyan. Kahit mahal pa yan, bibilin pa nila. But in your case,
Kailangan mo
there's no
umeffort
point
para makakuha ng size mo.
That is true. And as much as na gusto ko maging sneakerhead na katulad nila, hindi na ako sumasali sa mga ganyan. Kasi there's no hope. I will never find a shoe size